What's good, fellas? I'm Big B and welcome back to the Tej Hanley channel. In today's video, we're discussing 5 habits destroying your skin because, well, we here at Tej Hanley want you to look amazing. Whether it's directly related to your skin or simply correlated to how it affects your skin, in this video we list the habits you likely do that can be destroying your skin. And ultimately you'll learn why they can be destroying your skin so you can quit them today. So first up, we have not wearing sunscreen on your face. Every time you go outside, it's absolutely crucial to apply some level of sunscreen to protect your skin. Even using a facial moisturizer with SPF like Tej Hanley's can protect your face from harmful UV rays. This ensures your skin does not get damaged and protects it against dark spots and wrinkles. In fact, the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology's 2013 study found that UVA rays decrease elastin and collagen, which help keep your skin firm. So, excessive UVA exposure can lead to fine lines and wrinkles. We also think it's important to note that having an unbalanced, unhealthy diet is directly related to poor skin. Too much sugar, fat, salt, dairy, and so many others can cause pimples and outbreaks. Of course, you don't have to cut all of these out entirely, but reducing your intake can greatly prevent pimples. Now, if you struggle with them, even with a healthy diet, consider incorporating an acne cream into your daily skincare routine. One thing you most certainly should cut back on is dairy. As we already know, dairy leads to acne. So if you enjoy things like milk, cream, cheese, etc., try going for skim or fat-free options. The Journal of the European Academy of Dermatology and Venereology found that a diet with skim dairy products led to less severe outbreaks. Next, we have using the same face mask over and over again without cleaning it or getting a new one. Not only is cleaning your facial mask recommended by the CDC and WHO, it's also recommended by Tej Hanley. Now, we won't get into the COVID-related aspects of this as we'll leave that to the professionals, but as skincare professionals, we have to talk about it in relation to your skin. All that dirt, sweat, grime, and bacteria that builds up on the surface of the mask and within the fabrics can translate onto your skin. This can lead to oil buildup and your pores being filled with all that stuff on your mask and lead to pimples and outbreaks. Now, let me let you in on this one. Not keeping your skin hydrated is one habit a lot of guys are making, which is destroying their skin. Now, we've already mentioned how it can be used as an SPF, but that's just one of the bonuses. The primary role of a facial moisturizer is to ensure your skin is hydrated throughout the day and at night while you sleep. When your skin is hydrated, it has all the tools it needs to keep your skin healthy, nourished, and well equipped to fight off unfavorable blemishes. And this leads me to my final point, which is picking, popping, and squeezing zits. This is just plain bad for your skin and it leads to acne scars too. Plus, you're putting your dirty, oily, bacteria-filled fingertips onto your face, causing additional blemishes and worsened breakouts. Listen, guys, make sure you take heed to these 5 habits that are ruining your skin because, again, we want you to look great. If you want to check out more videos from Tej Hanley, then click here. If you want to check out more about Tej Hanley products, then click here. Until the next time, I'll see you around.